Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're like me and you're in the market for a powerful gaming PC that won't break the bank, then you're in the right place today. I'm going to be reviewing the ViprTech Stryker 4.0 gaming PC, and I'll be showing you if it delivers on its promises. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. But first, let's dive into what makes this PC tick. The base model comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 processor running at 4.4 GHz and is liquid-cooled for maximum performance. You get an NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of dedicated VRAM and 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking about whether or not this PC can handle the latest games and content creation tasks. The answer is yes, and I'll show you why. The 1TB SSD inside gives you insane fast boot-up times, while the 700W power supply is more than enough to power all of the components. This makes it perfect for streaming, video editing, and rendering, not to mention gaming of course. I've been testing the Stryker 4.0 for the past few days, and I'm thoroughly impressed with its performance. Not only can it handle demanding games at high resolutions, but it also handles tasks like video editing and 3D modeling like a champ. And with the built-in RGB lighting, you can really show off your PC's internals and make your setup stand out. One thing I want to mention is that ViprTech is dedicated to building high-quality PCs in the USA. Every single unit is built by hand, and the company is committed to quality control and customer satisfaction. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about the cost of a pre-built gaming PC, but trust me, the ViprTech Stryker 4.0 is worth every penny. As with any PC, there are pros and cons. On the plus side, this thing is a beast. It can handle anything you throw at it, and the build quality is top-notch. The included 1TB SSD is also a major plus, making boot times incredibly fast. On the downside, it's not the quietest PC I've ever used. The fans can get a bit loud under heavy loads. But hey, that's a small price to pay for the performance you get. So there you have it, folks. The ViprTech Stryker 4.0 gaming PC is a great option for anyone looking for a high-performance gaming PC without breaking the bank. And with its 1TB SSD and liquid-cooled Ryzen 7 processor, it's perfect for streaming, video editing, and more. Link is below in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.